One question that I get a lot of times from smart home and residential low voltage integrators is, Todd, should I invest in a new website? Should I build a big, powerful website that's going to cost me thousands and thousands of dollars? Here's my answer. Todd Friedman here, founder of Corrali Marketing. Let's hop right into today's video. But of course, before, if you would please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Don't forget to that like button, and obviously also hit that bell so you can get notified when we put out new content. Should you invest in redesigning your website? Should you drop thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars to build a brand new website? The answer to that question is maybe. Let me explain. Here's what you need to understand about the way websites work today. Websites are more like online brochures for your company. When someone is searching for a smart home integrator or a residential low voltage integrator, 9.9 out of 10 times, the first place they're going to go is Google, unless of course they're a referral. Now, once they've read through your reviews, maybe they've gone to a couple of your social media platforms, that's typically when they're going to go and check out your website. So what I recommend to my integrator clients is the following. Here's what your website really needs. First of all, keep it clean, keep it simple, and make sure that it's easy to navigate, both on a desktop and on mobile. Second, if you have a lot of work that you've documented in pictures, make sure you have a gallery page that you're able to display all of the work that you've done in the past, work that you're proud of. Also, you're going to want to make sure that you have clear and concise calls to action throughout the website. You want to make sure that it's very easy for a prospective customer to either make a phone call to your business or have a lead capture form present so that they can provide you with their information so you can follow up with them. Lastly, I would highly recommend, if you offer more than one service, make sure you have a page on your website for each specific service that you offer. And on top of that, if you're running paid advertisement for specific services, like say you're using Google Ads, please, I beg of you, make sure that when a customer clicks on that Google ad for your specific service, it goes to that landing page with that information. Far too many times, I see smart home and residential low voltage integrators wasting their money by having an ad for a very specific service, and then when a prospective customer clicks on the ad, it goes to their homepage. It kills me. Every time I see it, I'm just like, ah! It is a problem. I can't stand to see these people waste their money. What do you want from me? And on each one of those pages that describes the specific services that you offer, make sure once again you have a clear call to action. You have a button where a customer can call you, especially if they're viewing it from a mobile device. And of course, you also want to have a lead capture form so you can capture that person's information and follow up with them later. So I hope you found the content in today's video valuable. If you know someone else that would find this video valuable, please send it to them in a text message, send it to them in a DM, an email, post it on social media. Lastly, one more time, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to smash that like button and obviously hit that bell so you can get notified when we put out new content. Todd Friedman, founder of Corrali Marketing. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.